Hi there. So, uh, oh, man, nothing's working for me tonight. What is going on? Okay. No, all right. Now we're streaming. Okay. I am not sure why everything seems to keep on freezing. I'll keep an eye on it. I've connected a few new devices. We are recording. Double checking what's coming through the stream mix. Labeling stream mix. All right, so tonight I'm don't really want to do any video games. I don't want to be playing any video games at the moment, maybe in a little while. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep on setting up my stream deck, and in the meantime, in the background, I'm going to play some music I've created for TLS. All right, so you guys are going to get to listen to that. I'm listening to some other music, but that's all right. All right. Perfect. It does sound like it's coming through. Enjoy while I work on some other things.
There's a road past the river where the old stones lean, where the fog walks soft and the hills turn green, where the wagon wheels rattle and the tired men brag.
And if anybody can,
the sign of the three-legged stag.
If anybody can figure out why this isn't screaming, I'll show you where it's supposed to be.
And the beds all creak and the roof lets rain on the fortunate meek.
See where that box just disappeared? That Camo Studio should be streaming there. I paid for the Pro. It was working last night.
For the road where the lost folk go, hoof on stone and fire in the flag. Raise one more for the three-legged stag.
It was working last night. I'm not sure why it's not working right now. You don't necessarily need to see what I'm doing for keystrokes right now. I'm not playing a video game, but I would like to figure it out.
Says nonsense, then he packs his bag and returns every year to the three-legged stag. Raise one high, raise one low, for the road where the lost
I'm gonna try one more thing.
I'm
gonna add another source to OBS. Video capture device. I'm just gonna call it video capture device for now. Popped right up on Camo. Alright, so MX. Uh-oh. Alright, MX Brio works. That froze my current Brio.
For the three-legged stag.
Yeah, it looks like it froze my current Brio. Let's pull up this, and we'll check if I'm moving in real life.
Found them safe by the three-legged stag. Raise one high, raise one low.
I'm supposed to be live.
For the road where the lost
Oh, there we are. Okay.
hoof on stone and fire in the flag. Raise one more for the three-legged stag.
So the Brio's dead.
Raise one more for the three-legged
So
stag.
let's go fix that. Okay, Brio's back. All right, Brio's back. Cool. This is working. I don't have to hit streaming. Still no. had to restart my computer yesterday to get it to work. You can see I'm moving my hands, a little frustrated. All right, it is supposed to live down in that bottom left-hand corner so I can get rid of this stuff. But right now, I'm just gonna work on getting rid of some stuff. I'm gonna listen to what you guys are, see how it actually sounds. If anybody shows up, hi. My chat dock doesn't seem to be activating properly. Everything else is working. There's a whole bunch of stuff that's not working today. It was working yesterday. Let's go to Restream. Not the right one. Not frozen. It says I'm frozen. It's showing I'm frozen. That's correct. Lots of stuff is not working today. Alright. So, my goal for today is to... So, right now, center of my screen, you are looking at my OBS home screen. The different things that I have going on. I did start using Wavelink, which I like quite a bit. It's definitely helping me with my mix. And yeah, you can see I'm using Chatty for a bunch of stuff when it comes to helping me build what I'm trying to do. I wish I could make this a little bit bigger so you guys can see it better. I can probably zoom in on the screen. I'm not going to worry about it. No viewers. Why is my chat not loading? Go to Restream and try to chat something. Alright, so the test came up, that's good. But because it's not coming up on OBS, I didn't get my little alert, which I set up yesterday, which was really helpful and cool. Alright, so I'm gonna just go like this. I'm gonna stick the Restream in there. Hopefully I'll notice if somebody sends me a message. I've got too many windows up open over here, but I can see my test came up. And just try to reload that dock one more time. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes, and I got the sound saying test. Awesome. All right, so that's working. All right, we're gonna, since that's working, let's try to make this work one more time. Nope. All right, my camo is still not working. It should be. It's attached to my iPhone. You guys are watching a new streamer failed today. Yeah, it's active. Should be working. Let's pull it up. Main screen. Oh, well, now it's upside down. I didn't set it that way. There you go. Yep, still nothing. Alright, I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to open it one more time, see if it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And then we're going to get to what I've really planned on doing for the moment. Oh, pulled up something. It's not showing the video it should be. Yeah, it's not showing the video that it should be. You guys should be seeing this in the center of my screen. But you can see properties for Cameo, it's just not coming up. So I'm not going to worry about it. I'm actually just going to close it. Okay, that's closed. I'm not going to worry about it. This is what we're working on tonight. You also don't need the endless camera, and I am going to be using Chatty to help me design my keys. Alright, so the screen that you're looking at right now, this is my new XL Stream Deck. This is the actual OBS deck that I'm using, and then I'm working on rebuilding my TLS decks. Now, what I found I want to do is I have enough keys now, and I've got two different stream decks. So I've got the Deck Plus that I'm turning into just my sound and music, and I'll show you a couple of stuff there. So in Wavelength, it goes back to the main deck right now, but I also have sound bites. So I managed to create those. And yes, these are all songs that I've created. And then this TLS, this is about ready to go away. So I've got my docs, Unreal, GitHub, files, shots, and snips. I decided I don't need shots. And now let's go back to this deck. So I've got Unreal. Hitting the Unreal button essentially brings you back to the screen. Actions, Unreal, navigate, switch profile, and no. So right now it stays on that home screen. What I'm working on is building, so this is the main TLS screen. We're going to build an Unreal screen. That's what we're working on. Once we have the main TLS screen done, that's going to become the Unreal screen. These buttons down here, these 3, 6, 7, 14 buttons, those are going to be the ones that change depending on what I'm hitting here. Every single one of these is going to bring me to a new profile that has the same home row up here. Under the Unreal banner, it's going to be the exact same things here. Later, we're going to build a Blender deck. These buttons here will change, and then you can have your random buttons down here. Always going to have snip, docs, that is for, in this particular case, this is specifically for TLS. And I'm gonna keep those. I'm also gonna keep this button under Blender open for right now. That's gonna be for another program. I don't know which one yet. And Unreal, once I finish creating all of these, gonna have two actions. One, gonna switch the profile to the Unreal profile, which we're gonna copy and paste and create it. Right now it just brings us back home, which this is not the home screen. That's the home screen apparently. So let's go back to main page. This is where we start everything. We're gonna hit TLS. That brings us to TLS. Double check and see where this is supposed to take us. Okay. So right now it's going to switch back to that default homepage. Not exactly what I want, but we need to build the Unreal page first. And to do that, we need to finish creating these buttons, fix this button, fix this button. Then we can make the Unreal page. Once we have the Unreal page done, I haven't decided what we're going to put in here, but those will only be for the Unreal page. Then we're going to start setting up all of these buttons. But let's start by creating a new button. So we need a materials button. What I'm going to do, this is my TLS streaming on desktop. We're going to go to OBS Media. This is where I've been putting a lot of the items because I want to keep the streaming stuff on my desktop, not on my external drive. A lot of other stuff on my external drive. But let's give it a reference. What I've been using for this reference, that was the home key, and that's what I'm using as my reference. So I've been working with chat in this chat channel under my streaming and games, and let's create a new button. I'm going to switch out my keyboard. You can't see that. Do a much quieter one so it's not ding 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 dinging you. And as I have them, I'm gonna applause myself. Alright. Reference, and use our reference and standard button size. I have added the model home button as your reference. I did have it creating more than one button at once, but it stopped giving me separate files. So I'm going back to one button for now. Alright. Our materials button for Unreal Engine profile. I can't spell. I got a bunch of college degrees and I can't spell. Alright, so now that's going to take like 30 seconds to a minute. I might go and get another non-alcoholic beverage. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna okay, so this is the OBS media. I'm gonna create a new folder. We're gonna call this thumbnails. I'm gonna stick all of the thumbnails in here just to clean up. I'll keep that out there. It's actually some music. I'll keep that where it is. Alright. I'm just trying to tidy everything up a little bit for you so that I have less open. Oh, and take a look at that. Ah, that's cool. All right, so anybody who knows about Unreal, you know that the default object, I think the object for everything, is actually a sphere. And I kind of like what they just did. So, just sticking those in there. We don't need these. I'm gonna keep my reference right here, just like it is. All right, I always like to, I'm trying to get in the habit of doing my naming conventions, and these ones I'm starting with Elgato, then Unreal Engine, and then we'll call this Materials. All right, cool. Let's make a button for architecture. All right, so if you know Unreal, you do not have an architecture. I'll pull it up and I'll show you what I'm doing. So over here, these are your main selection modes. And I'm going to do a main selection mode for the things that I use most. Right now, that's selection, landscape, and I plan on having to use foliage a lot. PCG is new. I haven't used it at all yet, but I'm really excited about it because it should help me create forests and roads and river systems quickly instead of placing hundreds, if not thousands, of trees and rocks and boulders. That should really help. It's procedurally created. I don't know what the G stands for. I'll figure it out. Modeling, that's the one that we just made. And then for under architecture, that is actually going to be, and some materials. So materials will do two things. It's going to open the materials selection area, the main menu, but it's also going to let me get to some quick materials and master materials. So to change a button's look, you just click that little down arrow, down chevron. I don't know if it's called a chevron going up or down, or if both. Click the one you want. Boom. All right, cool. Now we've got a new materials key. I already had Chatty create the title. So there's the title. Once I have all of these done, that's when we're going to copy the TLS profile. We're going to create an Unreal profile. Then this button will go to the Unreal profile, but it's also going to open Unreal if it's not already open. If it is open, it just pulls it to the front. All right, love this architecture button. So architecture, as you noticed, it's I'll let you listen to this.
Follow the light when the dark draws near.
Like it.
Some men pray to crown and king, some swear by blade and bow. But rangers watch the tree line still where nameless whispers go. If you hear a dead friend call soft behind your back, bite your tongue and face the dawn and never answer back. Elther, the old lights say, hold the road till break of day. Lorthale, the lost draw near. Follow the light when the dark draws near.
Sorry, I am enjoying the songs and the music that I've been making for this. favorites.
Three legs pass through moonlit
foliage one's
grass,
cool.
one shadow left behind. The stag stood tall where hope grew thin and turned the lost from blind. So mend your strap and string your bow, let fear have one last breath. The road remembers those who stand and those who walk through death. Hail, Thur, the old lights say, hold the road till break of day. Lord Thale, the lost draw near, follow the light when the dark draws near. Light above and stone beneath, hold the road till break of day.
All right, so most of my buttons are going to be with the bronze icon in the center, but I really like how the foliage one is with green plants, so I'm going to keep that. That's cool. Now I'm going to ask it to do the PCG button. Let's see what happens. And so yeah, all of this music is created. I've been writing a lot of the lyrics myself, or poems, ideas, sharing with Chatty. I call my chat GPT Chatty. And yeah, I gotta stop using the word I know better than that. And going back and forth about what I like about the songs, what it means in the world of the Three-Legged Stag, and really trying to get the lyrics right, because I want them to mean stuff, mean things in the greater world of DLS. And I'm trying to go with some different feels because we have different species. We've got dwarfs, humans, elves, just to start. This is kind of a dwarf beat. There's going to be a dwarf song coming up next. All right, cool. That works. I don't even know how to use PCG yet, but we're setting all this up first. I like it.
Turn the same. Wake the iron from its dream. Hold the stone. Hold the stone. Gate is sealed and the pressure holds. Deep runes cut where the river rolls. Smoke in the beard and fire in the bone. No weak hand may wake the stone. Thrum, drum, hold the stone. Barum burns and the sparks are thrown. Devar, shut the gate. Hammer now before it breaks. Water Water turns the hidden wheel. Bronze remembers blackened steel. If the old marks crack or fade, read them deep where the cuts were made. Thrum, drum, hold the stone. Barum burns and the sparks are thrown. Durvar, shut the gates. Hammer now before it breaks.
Sorry, I didn't update the goals. Oops.
Crag, the flow is torn. Zag, Druk, the floor is worn. Crag, talk, mark the wound. Forge by fire and mend it soon.
How much left?
We were young when the mountain
All right, I'm gonna reset this just in case anybody jumps in and use any of the stream.
Where the lost hall
Does somebody's viewing me, but I think that's just me.
Thrum, drum,
Oh, you see, this is what I was talking about. I specifically asked it to give me 3 different image files. It gave me 1 image file, and they are not the right size. I had it so that it was giving me multiple image files, but something I'm doing isn't right. So back to creating 1 image at a time. Probably give ChatGPT too much information and confuse it. But then when I go back and ask, was I unclear? How could I have made my prompt better? It says, no, your prompt was exact. I just got confused. This one is kind of confusing.
Crag, the flow is torn. Zag, Druk, the floor is worn. Crag, talk, mark the wound. Forge by fire.
Yeah, my dwarves kind of Viking heavy metalish. I don't know. I like it though.
We were young when the mountain cried. Too few lived and too many died. But the brace still holds in the old mark show, where the lost halls breathe below. Thrum, drum, hold the stone. Barum burns and the sparks are thrown.
Alright, so I need to put the GitHub button on the main page.
Grathcars till the morning breaks.
And on the OBS page. Can I can copy and paste it, but it's not going to do everything I need. That's good looking Unreal deck button. Oh, but it didn't give me all my little triangles.
Hold the stone till the morning breaks.
All right, we're going back to the beginning. This song starts off, the singer's in a tavern. She's the owner of the tavern. And there's a fight breaking out. and she takes charge by starting to sing. She gets everybody's attention.
There's a road past the river,
A little bit of the
where
story there.
old stones lean, where the fog walks soft and the hills turn green. Where the wagon
Now you
wheels
can hear
rattle
me when I
and the
turn my head a
tired
little bit
men
better.
brag of the
Oh,
ale at the side
how about
of
that?
the
Yeah.
three-legged stag. Oh, the stew is thin and the beds all creak, and the roof lets rain on the fortunate meek. But the wolves won't follow and the dead won't drag.
There you go,
if
Chatty.
sleep
That's a
by the
good one.
sign of the three-legged stag. Raise one high, raise one low, for the road where the lost folk go. Hoof on stone and fire in the flag. Raise one more for the three-legged stag. The smith swears the
I know I don't
cellar
need
has
to
a
be doing
door
this.
made of
I could be using
stone.
standard
The clock
buttons.
says the tower hums when you drink alone.
But I like this.
The
Right
bard
now, it's
says
giving me
nonsense,
some
then he
peace.
packs his bag and returns every
Yeah,
year to
and then
the
I need to get back into
three-legged
really
stag.
building TLS. Once I
Raise
have all of
one
this done,
high, raise one
we need to get
low,
back into it.
for the road where the lost folk go. Hoof on stone and fire in the flag. Raise one more for the three-legged stag.
I have just realized that I want to make sure my top row buttons, I copy and pasted them.
If the night calls your name,
But I'm gonna have to
don't
copy and paste them
answer
into
back. If the
every
trees go still, keep
single
to the track. If the moon turns blue and your
one of
lanterns
those if I don't
sag,
have them
like
fully
hell
set up
for
to
the
what
three-legged
exactly I
stag.
want them to do. That's gonna be an issue.
Some say it's luck, and some say it's lies. Some say a ghost with antlered eyes. But I've seen hard men weep and cowards brag when dawn found them safe by the three-legged stag.
That's
Raise
fine.
one high, raise one
OBS
low,
brings up OBS and all
for
that
the
good
road
stuff.
where the lost folk go. Hoof on stone and fire in the flag. Raise
Home brings
one
you
more
home.
for the three-legged stag. Raise one more for the three-legged
Got to
stag.
think about this. In the end, I'm gonna have 3, 6, 9 different menus. I'm gonna have to copy and paste 9 times. That's not terrible. I've done dumber things. This just brings up the LTX deck, which is fine. I haven't even started setting that up yet. 2 actions here, does OBS and switches a profile, that's fine. This just brings up this entire deck, that's fine. And my home deck just brings me to the home page. Okay, yeah, I can deal with that. Okay. Dungeon delinquents do. Brings me to profile dungeon delinquents. That's fine. It doesn't need to open anything because I'm gonna create a docs for it. Same with GitHub. I'll create a docs for that. Yeah, that'll be fine. Have any of those built yet? Dungeon delinquents. Main page. LTL. OBS, TLS. Ooh, I like that selection button. So you'll notice I'm trying to keep everything organized, get it out of downloads and into an actual file. Real Engine, selection, okay, selection, change to selection, okay, cool, like it. All right, landscape. All right, so next, make me a landscape key following the same rules. Once we have these done, I'll do the GitHub key, I'll do the docs key, and we're actually going to do something neat with the docs key. I'm going to change this, and I'm going to have it pull up a new, I'm going to create a document like this one. I hope you can't steal my information from this, but I'm going to create this, a new one, specifically for my documentation for Three-Legged Stag, because I think that's cool. And actually, you know what I'll do? I'm going to show you what streaming setup, what that actually does. So, I'm in my OBS deck right now. I'm going to hit this button over here. That runs this file. This file is that, right? Boom. Brings up totally new window under the correct profile with all of the streaming stuff that I need. I think that's really cool, and I love it. We're keeping that. And I'm gonna do that for the docs button instead of opening like 15 new pages. Gonna open 15 new pages, but it's gonna do it under opening a file instead of doing it as a multi-action. Sorry, something in me just told me to sit up straight. Alright, let's fix this. Landscape, boom. Alright. Now, you'll notice landscape has two actions. Landscape hotkey, shift 2, that brings up landscape. Selection is also a multi-key. Did I set these ones up as multi-keys? Oh, I meant to. Oopsie. All right, so modeling needs to be a multi-action. All right, so this is modeling. Yes, replace that. Where did I put you? There, have you finished? Yes, I did. Lost my modeling button. There you are. Okay. All right, materials. That should also be a multi-action. Really, all of these need to be multi-actions, just in case I need to have was that? Landscape, modeling, materials. Materials, I can't spell. Who cares? Alright, so I am going to change all of these to multi-actions. And the reason, if I need to make them do more than one thing, I kind of want to. And at least these three need to pull up
Every time
in Unreal. I want it to switch the mode. And I want it to switch profile. So it needs to do at least those two things. Okay, so I just fixed materials, so now we're doing architecture. I'm going to be quiet so you can listen to this.
You're the light that leads me through. Every road brings me back to you. In your glow I'll never roam. Your smile's my guide, my way back home. When the road grows long and cold, your love's the warmth my heart can hold. Like a hearth fire burning bright, you bring me home, you make it right. You're the light that leads me through. Every road brings me back to you. In your glow I'll never roam. Your smile's my guide, my way back home. Past the pines and river storm, through the dark I'm not alone. Where the tavern candles glow, that's the place my heart still knows. You're the light that leads me through. Every road brings me back to you. In your glow I'll never roam. Your smile's my guide, my way back home.
All right, so there's a lot here. These websites I need to copy. Going to open up Notepad. That's a really useful YouTube video right there. Teaches you a lot about using Unreal. Then I'm going to copy and paste all of these. I don't know if there's a shorter way to do this than to actually just do it one by one. Putting it into Notepad, and you guys will see why in just a minute or two. Prelude on here? Yes, I do. Okay. That's a great little character thing. We're gonna make that small just for a minute. Unreal Engine. Characters. Okay. Back up. This is now a multi. Change this to characters. Okay, title away. This was supposed to be Blender. Now I'm gonna switch back to OBS. This is a system open button. So system open. I'm gonna replace that. Okay, TLS docs. See, I don't think the characters button's bright enough, but it's more than bright enough on my actual Stream Deck. Cool. I like the Blender button. So I'm still learning how to use Blender. So far, I've only created one thing, but it's one of the most important things. The Dwarf Tower. I built the Dwarf Tower in Blender. That's multi-action. Awesome. The characters keep dark enough, light enough. I ask it to make it a little lighter. Just that. I'm not gonna hit be right back. I'm just gonna go get another beverage. I'm gonna let you guys keep on listening to music. Hey, I'm back. I am going to end this stream soon. Ah, there we go. I like that. I don't know why they gave the dwarf a face, but kept everybody else's face off. Whatever. Better than the first one. I like that a lot better. Okay.
Light above and stone beneath, cold hands around the fire. The ridge waits black against the dawn. The night grows thin and tired. Two hearts slept in the old world's breast, one high and one below. One watched over the river road, one dreamed where deep streams flow. Hail, Thur, the old lights say, hold the road till break of day. Lothail, the lost draw near, follow the light when the dark
cool, I like that. Near. Except it doesn't have 3 legs. And we're gonna have that fixed.
Some men pray to crown and king, some swear by blade and bow. But rangers watch the tree line still, where nameless whispers go. If you hear a dead friend call soft behind your back, bite your tongue and face the dawn and never answer back. Hail, Thur, the old lights say, hold the road till break of day. Lothail, the lost draw near, follow the light when the dark draws near. Pass through moonlit grass, one shadow left behind. The stag stood tall where hope grew thin and turned the lost from blind. So mend your strap and string your bow, let fear have one last breath. The road remembers those who stand and those who walk through death.
Well, it seems to have really screwed that up, but it's only going on my stream deck.
The old lights say, hold the road till break of day.
I'll accept it.
The lost draw near, follow the light when the dark.
No, I'm not going to accept it.
Light above and stone beneath, hold the road till break of day.
Well, I'm going to keep on going, but I am going to stop my stream because I do have some other things I have to do. Alright, so I'm going to switch